Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app, make sure you're on the dialer, and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. This will bring up your IMEI information, and you'll want to write down IMEI 1, and we're going to use that later on in the process. Next, we're going to hit the home button. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung, and then the model, which is going to be the Galaxy S24 FE, right here. Tap Unlock Phone. Now on this page, you'll see the cost to unlock. So for a small fee, $27.99, this website will help you with unlocking the phone. And once you check out and pay, there is a 1 hour to 72 hour turnaround time where they will send you the final unlocking instructions to get your phone unlocked. You'll want to input the country you purchased the phone in, the carrier, and then you're going to enter your IMEI right here. Add it to cart, check out, and you pay. Now, at the top of the screen, I just want to point out you have 4 different methods to contact the company in case you have a question about your order or you just want to follow up on an order. You can call, text, you can email them, or you can contact them on WhatsApp. So you have 4 different ways to contact the company, which I really like. Super transparent and really easy to get to them to follow up on your order. Once you get the final unlocking instructions, you're going to follow those steps. Unlock the phone, and then you will want to grab your SIM tool, which you will find in the box of your phone, to pop out the old SIM card and put in the new SIM card of the service you want to use the phone for. Now, if you don't have that SIM tool, no problem. You can always grab a paper clip, simply bend it back, and then you can use that to pop out the SIM card and then pop in the new SIM card. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.